guys, cleaning out the medicine cabinet. Yes, we're old. We take a lot of vitamins. We're gonna be mounting the microwave and gonna get rid of this one so we can have more counter space. How do you feel about that, babe?
Better.
Good. Chocolate abuelita. Gigi, stop interrupting the video. We forgot we needed sheetrock. I thought we were just gonna cover it with the microwave. Turns out we can't. Yes, we don't know what we're doing, guys, but we're gonna make it work. Y'all see. What you doing? Can you explain to us the process of this?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
It's okay. Everything's okay while it doesn't fall apart. We're done for the day, guys. Now we're just gonna eat some Whataburger.